Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete or uninstall app in Google Play Store. So if you want to uninstall application via the Google Play Store or your Android phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to uninstall app on Android from the Google Play Store, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Google Play Store app. Once open the Google Play Store app, click on the profile icon at top right, and then click on Manage Apps and Device. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on Manage. Under Manage Apps and Device, then here you have access to all the applications you have installed on your phone. Now, to uninstall any of this application, all you just need to do is click on the application from the list. Once you click on the application from the list, this is what you're going to see. You can either update the application or open it. Now, to uninstall the application, go ahead and click on this uninstall button. Then you should support that says uninstall this application. To proceed, click on uninstall and then hang on. You should see uninstalling. And once the application is uninstalled successfully, you should see install again. Now, you can repeat this on all the applications you have installed on your Android phone from the Google Play Store to uninstall all the application on your phone. So that is basically how to delete or uninstall app from Google Play Store on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.